So hello UPSC aspirants. So this is my first video and I'm equally nervous and super excited. So this video is all about the list of books you have to refer for prelims, and this is purely my choice. You have a variety of subjects or list of subjects you have to study or prepare for UPSC, that is history. So first we will see this history section. It is divided into three parts: ancient, medieval and modern. For ancient and medieval you have to go through 11th and 12th standard Tamil Nadu history books. So they have given excellent view about the ancient and medieval history. So for modern history you have to refer Brief History of India by Rajiv Akir sir. So simply it is Spectrum Books. So they are the publishers. So they have given the excellent view about modern history. And the next section is polity. So for this you have to refer Lakshmikant sir book. So he has given the excellent view about the Indian polity. So without any further questions or doubts, you can refer Lakshmikant sir book for UPSC prelims. And for art and culture, you have to refer Nitin Singhania sir book. So if you don't have enough time, then at least go through his notes which is available in the online. And the next thing is geography. For geography you have to refer NCERT books from 6th standard to 12th standard. Suppose if you are thorough with the basics, then go with 9th to 12th standard. So along with these two you have to refer G.C. Leong geography book. And the next one is environment. So for this you have to refer Sankar sir's environment book. So he has covered everything which is included in the prelim syllabus. So no worries. So go through this one. And the next one is economy. For this you have to refer Sriram sir economy book. But before reading this book, you have to refer, suppose if you are not thorough with the basics, before reading this book, you have to refer microeconomics and macroeconomics. That is nothing but 11th and 12th standard NCERT books. That is economy book. And last but not the least is current affairs. So for this you have to refer newspaper of your choice. Kindly allot 1 to 2 hours per day for newspaper reading. And next you have to refer Yojana or Kurukshetra magazines. So if you don't have enough time, at least go with monthly compilation of these two. So that's all for today. If you want any of these books, you can always mail me, and if you have any doubts, you can always mail me and DM me. The link for the Gmail and the Instagram I have given in the description. So thank you.